So good morning. I hope you are doing absolutely amazing and great in life, and you are happy. And I'm pretty sure you are an inspired soul, or else you would not have been watching my videos. You would have been watching many videos which will give you entertainment, but they will not make you happy because they will not help you transform your life at all. So I'm at this beautiful natural place, and there is one message which I wanted to share with all of you. And the message is, in this life, everything is connected. If you look at nature closely, the nature will give you all the messages of your life. It's just that we are not able to pick these messages. So let's get one message right now. Look at this little tree which is growing. Now these leaves are fresh leaves. Fresh leaves, you can see this leaf. This is fresh, right? This one. Very new leaves, you can see. New leaves are coming on this branch. Having said that, you also see old leaves. Can you see this stack of old leaves which have dried? Life is all about movement, and we all have to get multiple lessons from this little thing which we just saw. First thing is that we all in our life have to keep on shedding old beliefs, old ideas which are not helping us. We need to change. That's very important. We need to shun or shed old ideas, self-limiting beliefs, as people say, self-created boundaries which we might be encircled by in our life so far. We have to leave bad elements of ego, self-centricity, not being able to contribute to the lives of others. We need to get rid of old leaves of bad habits, for example, waking up late in the morning. We need to keep on changing our habits so that we can focus on what is truly important for our success, for our life. And we need to get new leaves. You can see here. New ideas, new habits. And this is the core of success. So there are multiple lessons from this little thing which we saw, and this is just one lesson. I do not want you to think of other lessons. We'll talk about this in one of these upcoming videos, but I would like you to just focus on one thing today. Can you today take a break and write down your self-limiting beliefs, your thoughts which are making you feel unhappy? I know it's not easy. Try writing it, and if you want, you can set up a call with me. Maybe I would be happy talking to a group of people. And I can tell you one thing very confidently, that once you start thinking about your self-limiting negative thoughts or beliefs, once you start writing this, once you start recalling some of these experiences, moments which were caused because of your thought process, you are going to take the first step on the path of your complete transformation, believe me. So do this exercise today and talk to me if you want to. Most importantly, if you can leave a message in the chat box, comment window below this video, is going to inspire other people also to do what we are talking about and to follow some of these life transforming habits which we are talking about. Take care, stay blessed, and all the best wishes. Bye bye.